Good day everyone, this is now week 3 of 4th quarter. So in our previous discussion video, we have discovered the difference between and or operator. So into this week, we're going to describe the and operators in the database query. So we're going also again to use the and operator but in a different scenario or in a different code. So apply the and operator in displaying records in one field only. Use the AND operator to display specific data, and of course construct and apply the AND operator using the query design grid. So into this AND operator, we're going to show specific data in one field using the AND operator again, but we're going to use different method or different way. So as you can see in our illustration on your module, we're going to use the word like, and of course it has still an end word. So like R asterisk and end like I asterisk. Okay, now so let me explain this one. So take a closer look at the following expression. So we have here our expression. So we use the word like. So we use the word like kasi we are going to locate information that start with letter R. So ang asterisk, ang ibig sabihin ng asterisk is any letter. So it always start with letter R. So R followed by any letter. So we're going to find information that start with letter R, then followed by any letter. And like, we have here asterisk and I. So and like I, so it has a letter I. So start with letter R that has letter I. Kasi meron siyang asterisk sa umpisa, ibig sabihin mag-uumpisa siya sa any letter, then nasa gitna yung letter I, then followed by any letter. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya mag-end sa letter I. So, we are going to, into this expression, we are looking for information that start with letter R that has letter I. Okay, that has letter I. So, in the expression above, the query being told to display record whose first name field start with letter R and contains letter I. Kasi meron tayong asterisk sa umpisa at meron tayong asterisk sa end ng letter I. So, the asterisk represent any other letter in the field and is interpret as follows. So, example again. So, letter J. Start with letter J kasi nga yung asterisk ay nasa hulihan. So, start with letter J. So, is letter J plus asterisk is equals to J plus any letter. So, magi-start ng letter J then followed by any letter. The same as to this one. So, any letter. So, kung merong asterisk sa umpisa, then mayroong asterisk sa hulihan. Ibig sabihin, any letter plus R, then plus any letter. So, paano naman kung walang asterisk sa hulihan? So, any letter, then plus letter R. So, kapag ganun ang nangyari, it means we are looking for information that ends with letter R. Pero kung ganito naman ang ating expression, it means we're looking for information that has letter R. Okay, that has letter R kasi nga any letter plus R then any letter. Pero kapag ganito naman ang ating expression will be, we are looking for information that starts with letter J. Okay, then follows any letter. Okay, so that will be our AND operator. So for better understanding, let's have a short demonstration. So again, week number 3, day number 1 will serve as our demonstration. This will serve as your guide. So it's up to you if you want to do this or not. Your main activity or your activity for week number 3 will be on the day 2, which is using again your inventory system database. So please do not lose your file. please do not lose your inventory system. Pero kung sakaling sinend nyo sa akin yung mga file ninyo, then you have backup online. Kung sakaling nawala siya sa computer nyo, pwede nyong kunin yung sinend nyo sa Messenger. Okay? So let's have a short demonstration using, for my demonstration, I'm using different database. So that is the other operator database dash your my last name, and of course my first name. So it is save on my flash drive. So this one, other operator, and of course still using the same table. Okay, using the same table. Let's follow the instructions. So create a new query and add the student table on the upper pane of the query design view. Now double click all the field names on the lower pane to add it on the lower pane. On the upper pane to add it on the lower pane of the query design view. So the output should look like the figure below. So let's create a new query design view. Okay, then let's add the student information table, our table, then close the show table. After closing the show table, let us now double click the field names that is included in our table, and of course we're going to double click it under upper pane of our query design view to add it on the lower pane of our query design view. So double click all the field names to add them all on our lower pane. Okay, then after that we're going to add the following criteria. Please see the figure below to guide you. And of course, criteria to be entered for the first name field. Under the first name field, we're going to type in, or we're looking for information that start with letter R and contains letter C. Okay, meron kaya tayong masasearch na ganon. So we're going to use first name column. We're going to use the first name column. So here, first name column under the criteria row, of course, under the first name field, because we're going to look for the first name or information on the first name that start with letter T and has letter C. So expression always start with equal sign, then followed by double quotation, or followed by the word like. Small letter man yan or big letter, or mag-uumpisa man siya ng small letter or big letter, as long as it is correct spelling, that is still correct. Okay, like, then space, then double quotation mark. Again, double quotation mark. 2 single quotation mark is not acceptable. So it should be double quotation mark. How are you going to do this in your computer keyboard? Press and hold the shift key, then press double quotation mark in your keyboard. Then start with letter T. So T first, then asterisk. So T plus asterisk means T plus any letter, followed by any letter, then double quotation mark. Okay? Then the word end. The word end, then the word like again. Like, then double quotation mark, then asterisk. Asterisk, letter C, then asterisk again, then double quotation mark. Okay? So, we have now our expression, equal sign, like, double quotation mark, T, then asterisk, then double quotation mark, then the word end, and the word like again, then double quotation mark, then asterisk, then C, then asterisk, then double quotation mark. Ang ibig sabihin nito, so yung T plus any letter. Dun sa C naman, any letter plus C plus any letter. So kung babasahin natin siya, we're looking for information that starts with letter T that has letter C on it. Okay? So, it's letter C. So, next step. Okay. So, ito siya. So, like, T plus asterisk, any letter, and like, asterisk, C, tapos, asterisk again, then, yun na siya, double quotation mark. So, let us now try to run our expression or try to run our query design view. So it's up to you if you click run or datasheet view, it's the same function. So for me, I'm going to click run. If I'm going to click run, you may have entered the comma without the preceding value and identifier. Wait, nagkamali daw. Let's try it again. Equal sign like double quotation mark T asterisk double quotation mark T asterisk double quotation mark and like then double quotation mark asterisk C asterisk then double quotation mark. Okay, then click run. Invalid syntax. Why invalid syntax? Let's see our module. Tap naman. Like double quotation mark T plus asterisk then like plus like double quotation mark T plus asterisk and like. Oh. Tama naman. Asterisk. Okay, wait lang. Let's try do it again. Let's close our query. So, tama yung ating expression. Create, query design, student information, then close. Let's close our table para safe. Then, double-click our student ID. Ganon din yung gagawin ko ha. Ulitin ko lang siya. Kasi meron daw akong nailagay na comma, pero wala naman akong nailalagay na comma. So, equal sign, like, double quotation mark, the letter T, the asterisk, then double quotation mark, and like, double quotation mark, asterisk, letter C, asterisk, then double quotation mark. Okay. Siguro naman okay na yan. Then, click run. Bakit walang identifier? Meron akong identifier. See. Okay. If we are going to use the word like, remove the equal sign. Again, if we are going to use the word like, you should remove the equal sign. Again, if you are going to use the word like, you should not put the equal sign. Then click run, then yan na siya. Okay? So nagkamali tayo sa equal sign. So if we are going to use the like expression, we should not use the equal sign. But if we are going to use the constant expression and of course the parameter expression, we should use the equal sign. Okay? But for the like, we should not use the equal sign. So, kaya nakita natin si Mr. Tom kasi si Mr. Tom ay nag-uumpisa sa letter T na nag-i-start na nag-uumpisa sa letter T na merong letter C sa pangalan. So, nag-uumpisa sa letter T that has letter C on his name. Kaya nagpakita si Mr. Tom. So, that's for the activity for week number 3. So, simpleng-simple lang siya. So, our last step is to save our expression. So, save the new query and save it as start with letter T that has letter C query. Okay, let's save it as start with letter T that has letter C query. Okay? Then click OK. After clicking OK, then that's our expression, or that's our query for week 3. Now, for week 3 activity, explain ko lang, day number 2. So, take a video. No. Remove the take a video. Hindi na po kayo mag-video. Ang isasend nyo na lang sa akin is that pipicturan nyo na lang po yung query design. Pipicturan nyo yung result ng query design. So, yun lang. Again, pipicturan nyo yung query design, then pipicturan nyo yung result ng query design, then isasend nyo sa akin yung file na inventory system dash your last name, comma, your first name. And of course, open your inventory system dash your last name, comma, your first name database that you have created in our previous discussion. Then create a new query that will display only record whose start or whose first name starts with letter M that has letter R in between the first name. Okay? In between. Bakit may the first name pa? In between lang. So, isa-search nyo dapat sa query is first name na nag-i-start sa letter M na merong letter R sa first name. And save the new query as start with letter M that has letter R query. So, ito po yung activity natin for week number 3 ha. For day number 1, that will be our demonstration. So, it's up to you if you want to do it or not. Pero kung ayaw nyo gawin, okay lang. Ang pinaka-importante is day number 2 kasi ito po yung i-check ko po at ito po yung i-record ko. Okay? And for those who are using the alternative activity, ang expected na ma-send po sa akin up to Friday or up to next week Monday will be up to week 3. Okay? Week 3 lang po because week 4 will be our periodical. So, I'm going to send our discussion video for week 4 after your examination or 4th preliminary examination. So, that's for week 3. Good luck in your exam. Good luck and God bless, Louisians.